one thing about lambing and these early mornings and stuff, or kind of late night deliveries, is usually you're not out in the stars or you're not out at sunrise. It's really quite something. I mean, last night we watched a ewe lamb out, so it was about 11 o'clock, and so I went out. Oh, there's a baby. There's a baby. A fresh one. Hey, Jackson. It's like a single right now. That's just new. Hey, babies. All right, girls. Henry, you all right? Hey. Oh, my goodness. Hey. So from last night, Henry, it's okay. We got 2 little hunched lambs from last night, I think. And I got a hungry baby. Got my bottle baby. Okay, Mom, what happened? What's going on with your baby? Oh, we got cold baby. Cold baby. Yeah. We got cold baby. What's up, Mama? Hey? They're kind of weak, sweetheart. They're fresh. Yeah. So what I've done, I've rigged up warming up cart with a heating pad. They're holding their heads up. They're not floppy. So this is a good thing. I'm gonna go get some raw honey, rub it on their gums, and then wait for the temperature to come up before I try feeding colostrum. And it's weird because their mom is an experienced mom. This is like her 3rd crop. Good boy. You stay on that one, and we'll fix the other one. So with those big ones, you gotta milk them out. She's a bit lopsided otherwise. So, okay, I gotta go get honey, and I will update you later. That's a start, you guys. Oh. Okay, milk. Milk. Good girl. Good girl. So, come on, you guys. Get on your mom. There you go. And I have one outside, and I'll see if she lambed. I think she's in a corner. She's in by the... Okay, let's get these guys out of the wind. Close up. Okay, what happens? I come out here. This is like the busiest morning yet. But I do a bit of a triage-y type thing. Okay, this baby is up and trying. So, not high priority. These 2, born last night. Bit hunched. She brought them into the barn, but they're a bit hunched, so they needed warm colostrum. And I could see they were hunched on the camera, so I heated that up before I got out here. Okay, you guys. I don't know why you're so hunched. Girl. Get you in a jug, Curly. Huh? Yeah. Okay, you guys. Warm up a little bit. I got one of the weak ones up and going. And this little black one is going to take a bit longer. Rubbed honey on their lips. The white one there, just within about a couple minutes, was moving its head a lot and everything. So I took its temperature and she was like 38 degrees. That's not your mum, actually. This is your mum. Why you guys look so pathetic? It's this one. It's this one. This one. Yeah. Come on. Yeah, you're gonna need some help. Okay. Yep. Come on, these are your two babies, honey. Why are you so mad? Huh? Why are you so mad? So, just had a bit of breakfast and just noticed on the cameras that little black lamb is now standing up in the cart. Hey, mister. Hey. Hey. Yeah. Come on. Oh. Boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Look at that. Oops. Hey, sweet. Hey. There you go. Yeah. Dip your navel, huh, shall we? Yeah. It's okay, it's okay. Come here. Oh. To all of them. They don't just wander off. I can milk her out. Okay, let's see what else we got here. Okay, little thing. Let's top you up. Basically back from the dead. Yes. Yes.
So this ewe has a very engorged teat, and so I'm going to tie her up and milk it out and then feed that to her babies. Because this is powdered colostrum, which is what you need to do in an emergency like this. And it's great, but she's got milk there, so might as well use it. It's like gold dust, that stuff. And those that no, the price of colostrum. There you go. Okay, where are we gonna put all our lady babies? Got one outside yet. With one. Okay, I need a triplet. A triplet suite. There you go. There's your mommy. Yeah. There's your mommy. Yeah. Yes. What's this? Let's get you and your mum into a pen.
This little girl from yesterday, 2 days ago. She part of the triplets from the replacement ewe lamb. They're little sprites, they are. They're little dynamos, aren't you ever? And you like escaping. Oh, I gotcha. Oh, you're gonna poop on me. Ooh, colostrum poop. Good sign, but boy, insidious. 2022 she is. Isn't that right? Yeah. Yes. Small but mighty. There she is. What a good mommy. Yes, it's okay. She's so beautiful with these babies. When, oh yeah, here's our babies from earlier this morning. There's Mr. I was the coldest. Yes, sir. There's Missy. I was okay. And there's the, I was kind of in between. All doing really nicely. So all I did, I think I caught them soon enough after they were born. I got them on a heating pad and then, yeah, Mom. Really high. I got them heating up. And then I rubbed raw honey on their lips, on their gums, twice. And then I just kept taking their temperatures. And the white one, hers came up first to, because they could hold their heads up. This is important. They could hold their heads up. They weren't really flopping yet. They were very cold though. First to come to temperature, and so I got her out and I fed her some colostrum, and black one wasn't even registering. So I did another bit of honey, and yeah, jumping out of the cart. Isn't that right, Mama? You got a big boobie, so I have to milk your colostrum out of that side, but that's okay. We